In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the exact phrase search. Remember that by default, the computer system will always input the word "and" between any two keywords that you put into the computer when you're searching in a database or on a search engine like Google. Sometimes it may be that you want the computer to return the exact results that you put in as keywords. In order to do this, put your search terms, your keywords, in quotation marks and press search again. In this case, human evolution is still treated like two separate keywords. By default, results where the two words are near each other in proximity will be favored over ones where they're not. But by typing in bipedal locomotion in this way, the computer will only return results that have bipedal locomotion right beside each other. In this case, I might limit myself down by doing this to too few results. And so I would suggest that you begin without doing an exact phrase search, but add it if you find that for your particular keywords, it would help you get a more relevant set of results. Also see the video on truncation and note that you can apply a truncation symbol that is a wildcard symbol like the asterisk mark or the question mark to an exact phrase search. So in this case, I'm telling the computer that I want to see bipedal locomotion right beside each other, but that there might be also bipedalism, or it might also be referred to as biped locomotion. So in this case, either biped or bipedal, any other combination of letters after the asterisk mark would appear in my search results. And by doing that, it did not change it dramatically, but notice that there was one result here that said biped locomotion, despite the fact that bipedal locomotion was the more common term. So by typing that in, I was able to still use my exact phrase search, but also be a little bit more exact in terms of this word that might appear in one or two different forms.